Yeah, skip it. Okay, password 1234abcd.com.
Password here, right?
Down. 1, 2, 3.
3, 4. Very good.
ABC. Yeah.
D. And .com. Yeah, here is the .com.
Right.com?
Yeah.
You need to find out, right?
The dot will come.
Show the password here. Yeah, click the show password to verify it. Okay, copy that. How to copy?
Highlight.
Click and highlight.
Don't click.
Very good. Then say copy.
Right click. Okay.
Right click.
That is a copy.
Copy.
Halas. You copy that?
Click on.
Select all. Selection gone.
Yes, no.
Selection gone. Select it again. Copy now.
Click.
Okay, it's copied, I think. Click outside.
Click outside.
Paste it here. How to paste it? Select it and type one number and then show password and then select it.
Select number 1.
No, give me more sir. So paste it. Yalla. It's very easy. Operating mouse pattern. Okay. Okay. Take your time. Come early and practice it. And this is reserve email. No problem. Cancel everything. Okay. Confirm. And would you like to confirm? Say no. Halas. Everything is what? Blank. Now, internet is not connected. Okay. I'm going to connect to what now? So, I'll connect it to the port number 1. Okay. So, what will happen? I don't want to do any settings. It will automatically will come. It will automatically. I don't want to go to the main menu or anything. It will automatically come. Why? It will take care about distributing the IP address. This network will take care in distributing the IP address. Within the maximum of 1 minute, you will get the camera here. In 1 minute, if you don't get the camera only, you have to go and manually configure the IP. Okay? Within the 1 minute, if you don't get a camera. So we see that it will automatically will come. It says no video, in a while it will come. So it came the video. Did I go to main menu or did I any settings? No. Nothing I did, but it automatically came. So I click main menu, go to the camera now. Camera, what is the IP address is to? 192.168. 3.10. How the 3.10 came? Your network settings, ESC network in the series of what? 3.2. So the camera came as what? 3.10. If I connect my second camera, do I need to configure anything?
No need.
It will automatically will come. This also will automatically will come. Okay? If it doesn't come, go and change your IP address based on your network address. Okay, based on the network address, just go and change it. Of course, we don't want right now because it will automatically come. Let me search it. The 3.10 is already connected. 3.11. So go back. The 3.11 will come in a while. So 3.11, if it is not added, you can manually add it, but it's automatically added. I didn't add it, it is also connected now. Okay. Even a single setting we don't do it now. It's automatically came. If it doesn't come, what you have to do it?
Reset.
Main menu.
No.
Go to here, and if the IP address is not the same, go to here, modify, put the correct IP address and the password, apply, it will come. It will come. If this IP address I'm giving as a wrong, will it work?
No.
No. So, can you see now from the online? No. Because you are not connected to the internet. So when I take my mobile, so if I go to my EC, the software that I installed, and I go to here, so in my mobile, if I connect it, your device is offline. Device is offline. Reason is why? No internet. No internet. If I connect this one, it is getting an internet. I connected now. So to make sure, is it getting internet or not, I'll go to what? Main menu. Go to system settings, network setting. Choose the network is what? Network?
Card.
Card 1. Network card 1 is the one, is what?
Internet.
Internet. But you must select option called what? Automatically assign the IP address from the router. When you click it, only it will get the internet. In default, it is unselected mode. You have to make it what? Automatic mode. Automatic mode will ask for IP addresses from the router. It will work. Okay, now there is an IP address here. So now I can refresh it. Then in a while, the camera will come. Yeah. So my device now, I will refresh it. It refresh says it's success. It's loading now. So in a while, the camera will come. This is how you connect to the what? Network. Clear? Okay. What if for long range distances, how do you connect it for long range distances? Let's say now, take a small example. I have okay, these two cameras are now connected directly to the NVR. Directly to the NVR. Okay, better I remove this one cable. I'll remove this cable. Is there internet? This time, the distance, remember, the distance from what? From the NVR to the camera. NVR to camera is limited. What is limited mean? The distance.
There's maximum.
Depends on type of camera or what about?
It is depends on the NVR.
No, I asked.
Depends on the.
Here have a 5 type of camera.
Yeah, no problem.
No problem.
No problem. Camera, no problem here.
Okay.
Problem is who? NVR. NVR has a limitation of distributing the power. It has a 30 meter. It has a 50 meter. If a camera length, the cable length exceeding more than 30 meter, exceeding more than 50 meter,
Mention for the DVR registration.
yeah, you will buy NVR. When you buy the NVR, you can check the specification of the NVR. The NVR tells you either 30 meter or 50 meter or 250 meter. More than 250 meter, no NVR. Maximum is what? 250. The one I have this is what? 50 meter. Okay? There are 100 meter NVR is there. 250 meter NVR there. More than 250 meter? No more. You can't connect it. You can't connect it. This NVR is what? 50 meters. Thinks that this camera, it's 100 meter now. How much?
100 meters.
100 meter. Can you connect it here? Will work or not?
Not work.
It will not work. It will not work. Okay. So let's take this example now. This is a camera. This camera is what? Connected more than 100 meter. More than
More than 100
100
meter.
meter. If I connect it,
No.
it will not
Not
work.
work.
But if I connect now, it will work because it's not 150 meters. It's a short distance. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. In such scenario, I'm going to use the what? Another
POE switch.
PoE
Switch.
This is a PoE.
Switch.
This PoE switch can extend further 250 meter. How much?
250 meter.
250 meter. Okay? Okay. What I do it? I'll take one smaller cable. This switch is where? This switch is where? Here camera. This switch is very near to the what? NBR. NBR. Okay. What I do it? I'll connect it to the uplink here. If you see here, it's a 4-port PoE. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many camera you can connect it?
4.
Ports. These 2 ports are written as uplink. Uplink means from here to the next one. Okay. I'll put one cable here. Okay. And another cable to the what?
NVR.
NVR. This is in your room, huh? This is in the room. This is how long can distribute it. This is only 50 meter. This is only
50 meter.
but this is how?
250.
250 meters. So I connect this one to the what? Here. Okay? Now it requires what? Power. Therefore I'm giving the power. So it's getting the power. The data and power is transferring here. And this device also will distribute the power and data here. Okay? So now it is distributed. So go to main menu and then say what? Camera and search for a camera. In a while a camera will come. It says what? 3 dot
12.
12. Okay, I connect 3.12 also to my network. 3.12. Now I have a camera here. It's a 3.12. Okay, how many camera is connected now? 3 camera. Let me make it in the 9 screen, 1 to 9. So I have connected 3 camera. So this is how long you can send it?
250 meters.
250
Meters.
meters. 250 meters. Say this one.
Can I connect the uplink cable to be 50? Since you said this NBR can go up to 50. Then from there I connect the 250.
You want to connect this one also? It's 50 meters. Of course, no problem.
Then after then I go to
Yeah, you can go. Okay, now say this camera is now.
500 meters sometime coming.
Okay, now this is 500 meter. It says this is how much?
500.
500 meter. Okay, take one more switch. Take
One more switch.
one more switch. From here to what? Uplink. Okay? This is goes to here. This is what? 250 meter. And again 250 meter. Clear?
Yes.
Now take the camera and connect this one onto the what? Another 250 meter. One more 250 meter. Go. One more 250 meter. Go. Keep going on.
So as using for this, like we have to make everywhere power.
Power.
So we can use instead of this fiber optics, right?
Yeah. This is practically not possible. We don't do it. But you can do it if you want. If you do it, no problem, it works. You have to buy a lot of expensive devices. Therefore, we through these setups, we go for a what? Fiber cabling.
So there is no any other option for drag to 500 meter, no.
Fiber.
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 Fiber have any limitation?
No, fiber you can go any limitations.
Minimum, maximum, nothing.
There is nothing. Okay, fiber is like internet. You can keep extending wherever in the world. You can keep moving. Okay, so this is limited. This is 50 meter. You keep extending. This is practically not possible. I'll tell you one more challenges on this. Let me remove the cable. Let me remove this camera. You will be having one more problem on this. So I will disconnect this one. Okay. So here I have one more switch. So I connect my camera here. So the bone camera will come back. The camera is coming now. Okay, the camera is ready now. So the camera is ready. See, in this device, how many camera you can connect it? Four. Huh? Okay. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to
Remove.
remove the cable which is connected here. Since I don't have additional camera, I'm going to remove it. Okay,
Transfer to POE.
to POE. To bring into the POE. You got my point? What I'm telling? I don't have an additional
Camera.
camera to connect on this POE.
Yeah.
Therefore, I'm going to what?
Remove.
The camera which I connected, I'm going to remove it.
Transfer.
If I remove it, the display will not come in a while. The display will go. It is gone already. Okay? This one I'm connecting to what now?
POE.
So see that it's gone, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Switch.
I'm going to connect it to
POE switch.
POE. Right. How many camera connected to the POE?
2.
2. But it's connected on the what?
NVR.
NVR in a single port. It's connected on the
NVR.
single port, huh? The port number 3. Notice that this is the port number 3, the one I show it. This is the port number 3. Okay. But the port number 3 has a 2 camera. Has a 2 camera. What are the camera? This camera and what? This camera. See, these two going through this cable to the port number 3. But this camera still doesn't come. Still doesn't come. Will it come or not? It will not come. It will not come. Why? Because it's able to transfer one data here. It can transfer only what? One camera. I'll remove this cable and connect it to what? Connect it to? Again here, how many camera now?
3.
But it's going to show you only one. It's going to show you only one. Remember, anything that you connect here, only one will show there. Only one will show there. Therefore, you can't connect this cable because here it's able to accept only one camera. This port can accept only even you have thousands of cameras on this switch. You take the uplink to the port, it can accept only what? One camera. So therefore, this is not the place to connect this cable. This is not the place to connect this cable. This cable to be connected where?
LAN port.
Here. Here.
Ethernet port.
Huh?
What name of?
This is for what?
Ethernet.
This is for
Ethernet port.
internet. So if you connect it here, you will get only one. If you connect it here, that is for internet. So what to do now? It has to go to the router. It has to go to the
Router.
router. Give it to the router.
So it is required the internet, sir.
No internet.
Only router, huh?
Only router. Now you give it to what? Router.
Without internet.
Now the camera signals are going to the what? Camera signals are going to where? To the router. Okay? Don't dream it. Okay? All your camera signals are moving to where? To the router. Is this router connected with NVR? No. I will take my internet cable to what? So the internet port. Okay? Okay. This cable is able to provide internet to the NVR. Will it be able to provide a camera facilities? Still no.
No,
It is giving internet only.
not data.
It is giving only internet. Still the camera will not come. Why the reason? This is coming from this port. This is coming from this port has a different network. Different? The camera which is connected here is a different network. For example, the camera connected through this cable, the IP address are delivered by the router. For these cameras is previously, the IP was delivered by whom?
NVR.
By the
NVR.
NVR PSC network, no? PSC network. If I go to now main menu and go for a camera, so main menu and go for the camera and search for it. See that? So it is searching a camera here. It is searching a camera. There is no camera. It's connected. So there is no camera. Go back to my main menu. Go back to settings. My PSC network has a
So,
IP address of what? 192.168.1.175. I have to assign IP addresses for my camera. I have to assign a IP addresses for my camera with IP address of what? With IP address of router IP. Not the PSC network. Not the PSC network. So therefore, I'm going to delete the existing cameras as that I have it. So then search for a camera here. Okay. No. Okay. One more thing. There is no data transferring here. Only what? Power. There is the green color is not showing. Meaning this from here there is no data transferring. So I'll search for a camera now. In a while it will come. See that? It listed what? How many cameras is connected already? 1, 2, 3. If I connect it, will it work or not?
No,
Huh?
no.
Who says yes?
Yes. It will work because it's showing.
the network is mistaken.
Yeah, let me connect it. Who says yes? So your answer is wrong. Why wrong?
Network is,
Because the network is different. This network is 3.2.
yeah. The network
This
is
is 192.168 1 dot series.
one that's,
If you add the camera now, it will not work because it's coming from what?
router.
Router. This IP address is delivered through the router, not by the PSC network.
So you have to change it.
So it will not come. The IP address is wrong because these devices are connected through the router. See, these trees are come here. The cable, the yellow color cable goes to the router. Router is the one providing IPs to these cameras. PSC network, nothing is connected to give the IP here. Therefore, it's not coming. So, to connect your cameras, you have to modify your IP in the range of what? 192.168, which is any available IP. I'm not sure 10 is available or not. Let me try. So I give it 1. And 192.168, 1.1, the IP address. So now
Password.
go to what?
Password.
Password and then what? Paste it. Confirm. So I have changed the IP to what? Search again. 192.168, 1.1.
Ten.
If I say at now, the camera will come in a while. So camera will come in a while. So IP address 192.168.1.10. Okay. So search again. It is 192.168.1.10. It says offline, it will come. Okay, maybe it takes a little bit time because of router. It's going to several routers. So if you want to view this one, you will change into what? One. Clear? Understand? Or not? Who has a doubt?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
During the configuration, sir, we need internet connection, right? Because we need to extend more than 250 meters.
Okay. He asked the question is, do we need the internet still?
Yeah.
Huh?
Because we need
Router already connected.
because we
Router
are
is connected to where?
we are going through the router, sir.
Hmm?
We are going to the router. That must be required the internet connection.
No,
No need?
no need.
Only powered by the router.
If you want to view internet from a mobile, of course you require internet. Still you don't have ISP service provider on your home, but you buy a router from a house. You go to shop, you buy a router.
Okay.
Okay? And you connect the camera through the network. It will work. But are you able to view from a mobile? No.
Okay.
Then you have to go to Orido and ask for a ISP service and connect your internet on the router.
So the router is going to provide IP.
Provide IP, that's a good answer. Is to provide a eyepieces to the camera. I connected to this. Okay? So everything goes to the. Let's say one more extension. One more extension from here. From here what? From here another PoE
Switch.
here one more or number of cameras.
Need to make change IP address every camera.
Every camera you have to change IP address, no? You require IP
Have
address.
30 cameras. How to make it one time? So everyone will make it.
Yeah, for that one we have a software. I tell you that how to do that. There is a software. So likewise, you can connect any number of what cameras. Got my point?
Internet protocol will have 4 parts. What is
You didn't come first class. Okay, this is your first class or second class? This is your first class. Huh? You?